出国那个 Schlemm 中有农山起码。
Kaswarnem Vijay Varsh, Kalarakhia yaka jingdap Sanposnem, yaka jingjab ka India yaka thama, hapneng ka India bat ka Pakistan, house nem shihajar khandai spa nyopaway. Kum shibanta ka nika jingrakhi, ka headquarter jang ka Eastern Air Command, kalapanlong yaka jingpen inam, yaki jet thama, niki ling sunyapom, yaka balapanlong haka sautarik uno pra arhajar arpaway, haomyam. Bankin mau buram ya ni kasngi. Lapan inam ya ki jetma, ni ki ling sunyapom, bat ki helikopter, balashim manta bat pendi da ka Surya Kiran aerobatic team, jong ke Indian Air Force. Hakani kasngi ulat ka jalla Meghalaya Usatia Pal Malik ulalong ukongsan. Habayakran bat ka flight lieutenant Karidhima Gurung. Kalaong baka jingpenlong yakani ka jingpen inam kalong kum kadak ban Ayman Sim yaki samla jong ka jalla Meghalaya bakin rung shaki kam shipai bapher.
This destination flying towards you is in the shape of the MiG-29 aircraft, popularly known as the Falcon. A huge round of applause for the team. Let me direct this European saga to this August gathering. Formation aerobatics has always been an integral part of the Indian Air Force. Since the establishment of
Meghalaya, the team has come for the first time in its 25 years. So we were made in the year 1996, the Surya Kiran aerobatic team. And it was such a beautiful opportunity to be here at Umiam Lake. It's such a beautiful place, and Meghalaya, of course, is known as the abode of clouds, where the clouds live. So it was a wonderful experience for the team to be here, for our 9 glinting aircraft to be here. And this was done towards the Swarnim Vijay Varsh of 50 years that have happened since the victory of 1971 war. So we are really privileged and glad to be here. And also one of the aims to be here was to motivate the youth of Meghalaya and Northeast to join the esteemed defence force. On the 11th and 12th we are displaying in Guwahati, and before that we have fun flypasts planned all over the Northeast. So for that you will have to come onto our social media so that we can share the whole display route with you and the flypast route with you. Post that we're going to Nagpur, and that would be the end of the December cycle. And do follow us on Suryakiran_IAF. There are a lot of contests, surprises and flypast route and display schedules being published there.
Can you tell us more about, the flypast, like who were part of it, the aircraft and all?
Yes, so on number 1's position, that is the team leader was flying, who was our commanding officer, Group Captain Anup Singh. And as number 4, it was Wing Commander Nautiyal, who is our flight commander. Behind him, there was Wing Commander Bhatt. Other team pilots who were flying to the left and right are Wing Commander Udit, Wing Commander Atul, Squadron Leader Bharadwaj, Squadron Leader Bordoloi, Squadron Leader Himanshu, Squadron Leader Dipankar, Squadron Leader Bhalla, and Squadron Leader Navjot, Squadron Leader Salaria, and then there is our maintenance team which also takes care of the aircraft. So all 9 are always ready to fly, which is led by Wing Commander Rana. Initially in the morning the weather was quite cloudy and quite packed, so we need to understand that weather plays a very important role in display flying. So based on the cloud height, the team leader has to take a call whether to carry out a full profile or a horizontal profile. This is what we call it. And once he did the first fly pass around 1000 hours, that's when he realized that the weather is holding on and we will be able to give a full show to Shillong. So we were so glad that that happened, and the weather gods were smiled on us, and we were able to give you a full display. the message is always clear skies and happy landings, like Sir relayed from the skies to everyone. But also this is an initiative towards joining the youth of the Northeast to join the esteemed defence forces as well. I would like to tell all the girls and the boys that in the service there is no disparity in gender. So everybody is an officer of the Air Force or the Army or the Navy. So I would like to relay the same messages to all the young boys and girls who are watching us today.
The 50th commemorative year for our victory over Pakistan, East Pakistan, the formation of Bangladesh, and this was just a show which we are doing all over the Northeast also. This is the first final show for Shillong, and very soon we are going to have one more at Guwahati also. That is for the people of Guwahati, and this is to thank each and everyone here in Meghalaya for having supported the armed forces during their struggle with the fight that they were indulged in during the 1971 Ops. And my heartfelt thanks to all the people who took part. Some of them are coming to Guwahati on the 12th to speak to us. We are having a small seminar there also. And once again, thank you, media friends, for having covered this beautiful show that happened. And I'm sure all of you enjoyed it, and particularly the school children. Thank you very much once again.
It was one of the best shows we have seen in this place, and the fighter pilots who flew the wonderful aircrafts were very beautifully displayed, and amazing formations were done, different types of formations, and amazing aerobatics, which was very close and very trained pilots have done. So it was very beautiful for us and very inspiring and motivating for the youth. And we are thankful for the Indian Air Force to conduct this.
While the rest of the team pulled in the sky like the shape of a kite, highlighting the